38. 6, 16, 39. 6. Now let me count my data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 numbers. 39, 12, 12, 5, 27. Okay, all the data checks out. So the first thing that you want to do when you're doing mean, median, mode, range, you want to make sure all your data is written down correctly. Okay, now that I've written down all my numbers correctly, the next thing I want to do, I want to order the numbers from least to greatest. 36, 38, 39. Okay, now I got to check all those, make sure I don't have any more numbers. Now I have all my 13 numbers. Now what I need to do is, since they're ordered from least to greatest, I'm going to identify my numbers that's going to help with my range. The range is the highest number in the data set minus the lowest number in the data set. So the highest number in the data set is 39. The lowest number in the data set is 5. So our range is 39 minus 5, which is equal to 34. That's our range. Okay? Now we are about to find our mean, our median, and our mode. In order to find the mean, we need to add up all of these numbers. Okay? And the mean is equal to the sum of all of the numbers in the data set divided by how many numbers. And we know how many numbers there are. How many numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 numbers, but we don't know the sum of all those numbers just yet. In order to do that, it's a very simple way to do that, a very clean way to do it without adding them all up at once. We go 2 by 2 like Noah's Ark. Here, these two, these two, these 28. 19 plus 23, we had 2 for 12, 3, 42. And then 2 there, 50, 2 there, and a lonely one right there. 11 and 22 is 33. We have 103. And here we have is 170 and 103. We add these together, 170 and 103. I'll just do this so you can see it. 3, 7, 2. So now the sum is 273. How many numbers we have is 13 numbers. So we do 273 divided by 13. Our mean is equal to 21. So far we have a mean of 21 and our range of 34. Now we need to find the median and the mode. The median in this particular problem is going to be very, very simple because we have 13 numbers. So we have an odd number of numbers, so that means that odd number that's in the very middle after you've ordered the numbers from least to greatest is your median. So the simplest way to find your median is take how many numbers you have, which is 13, and divide it by 2. 13 divided by 2. Now, 6.5 is not the median. Let me just say that first of all. Because 13 is the number of numbers that we have. This little exercise here actually just tells us how do we know which number is always going to have that. When you have an odd number and you divide by 2 and you get that number, all you do is simply round up 6.5 rounded up is 7. The 7th number is your median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 19 is your median. Now, so far we found the mean, we found the median, and we found the range. Now we have to find the mode. The mode is simply the number that shows up the most in the data set. So if we just redo these numbers, 5, 6, 10, 12, 12, 16, 19, 23, 27, 30, 36, 38, 39. The number that showed up the most was 12, and it showed up 2 times. So, therefore, our mode is 12. So mean, median, mode, and range. Mean, median, mode, range. Our mean is 21. Our median is 19. Our mode is 12. And our range is 34. There you have mean, median, mode, and range.